This song's called The Nature of No God. Pick a card, any card, that's just fun. Black or red, not that one, that's mine. All laid out and all mapped down. Spun round and round, you've won, touchdown. It's transcendent, it's omniscient. Please hold still or strapped down the patient. Did you have a religion? You really comprehend it? Don't try and think in the box, I'll seal it. Outside the box, it is quite exciting. You are surrounded by thunder and lightning. Staying in the box, I want to get metal connection. Next thing's my check, I will give a pity. Mind in the tube, but there's no light. You trying to get out with all your might. Stepping out and facing out in unconscious, conscious minds will clogged up your sinus. Hear me banging on the side of the walls. You hear the calls, you use your tools. Badly listen to us fools. Badly listen to us fools. Another day, another night. Crack a smile, get a fright. Avoid the question, stop the fight. You live on, it's out of sight. Be the prophet, be the storm. Start to argue, you feel warm. You'll live on another day. Whether you listen to what they say, what they say, what they say, what they say, what they say about the nature of God. Shrouded in thick eternal fog, you lived your life by the edge of a knife. You think you have no power cause Allah rolls the dice. What's in your mind is what you've been fed. You have no doubt about what's been said. I shall question this moral authority holds together and divides our society. Another day, another night. Crack a smile, get a fright. Avoid the question and stop the fight. You live on, it's out of sight. Be the prophet, be the storm. Start to argue, you feel warm. You'll live on another day. Whether you listen to what they say, what they say, what they say, what they say. Thank you very much.